Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Miss Jackie Russell. My name is Vicki and today we're going to look at Allure July Beauty Box. That's right, I went ahead and subscribed for a particular reason. And I can't say that it was because I was overly thrilled about this box here, but I'm very thrilled about the one that's going to be coming in August sometime. So with that said, I'm going to have an Allure subscription for just a little bit, and then I will determine if I'm going to keep up with it. Here's what it looks like on the inside. I will say I got an email sent to me for 50% off, which made this box $14.99, I think, because I think their subscription is $29.99 a month. So I was able to save half. So I thought, okay, I'll do that. And this wasn't a bad box, don't get me wrong. It's got quite a few nice little products in it. And we have the Allure product card, which is really nice. And on the back they have their Don't Miss their Reader's Choice Awards with various favorite products. And then we're into the sweaty season. Isn't that the truth? Oh my goodness, we're having a heat index today to 105 to 109. I'm not quite sure where we're at right now, but that's hot. Not as hot as that 122 though. I'm telling you, that was really hot. And of course our featured product is Mario, Makeup by Mario. And this gives an instant radiant glow, and you'll love it because it's a bronzer and a serum. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and I think it has vitamin E in it. And you'll love the celebrity makeup artist Mario, I can't even pronounce his last name, to create a product to innovate that we won't even know how to describe it, but we'll certainly try. Made with a hydrating combination of hyaluronic acid and vitamin E and a touch of Miko for Shine. I'm not quite sure what that is, the lightweight liquid foundations. So, and it says Mica, M-I-C-A, maybe it's mica, I don't know. Anyways, how you'll use it, well, I read all about it, and it runs about $36, I think. On here it says it's a full size, it's $36. Yeah, that's what I've seen. And I read about it, and it can be your foundation, it can be put over makeup, it can be used as only your makeup if you want a thin layer. And it says to shake it up before you use it. And it said to use a F4 brush, but I don't really have one, so I brought in this $1 billion brush. I guess it's a facial brush. And I'm going to try that. Yeah, I'm going to use one today. And today I have on my makeup, but I don't, and I have on CC cream, that Eborian CC cream in the medium on my face, and then now we're going to bronze it. I do want to show you it's got two features. If you just want to use it to sculpt, you can use this doe foot part, or maybe in this case, maybe since I'm going to use a brush, I can just dab this on everywhere and then blend it in. Maybe I'll do that. It's real thin. I'm not sure if this is the way to go, but that's what I'm going to do. Now I look like a dotted up clown or something. Just leave it to me to do that. Let's blend it in a little bit. I still like using my fingers better, I think. I try to do it this way. I'm going with my hands. It's real light. Got to go down my T-zone and around, and we're going to see, I guess you can see how it's bronzing me up. And I had a subscriber mention that I should use to brighten my eyes, to use a brightening pen or pencil for my eyes. I'm coming down my neck. And I'm going to just bronze all over and hopefully not mess up too much of my makeup, but it's definitely bronzed up. Get a little bit under my eye there. We got a little bit of a shine going on. And then I might could finish it off with this. Just to make sure it's all blended in. But there, that was the first coat. Now, it's mine, and I got medium, so this was kind of dark. Did y'all see how dark it was? So that's how it looks once it's on. I'm going to put a little bit more across my cheeks. And we're going to see how that looks. And I was glad this was in it so I could at least try it. And for 15 bucks, it was definitely worth the try. I don't know if I like the thinness of it. It feels weird on, like it says it's a foundation or a bronzer, and it's a serum, all in one. So I have my hyaluronic acid on, and vitamin E, and it's not heavy oily at all. Nope. Now, it may be giving me a shine, but it's not because it's heavy oily. It's not. So, that looks pretty good. Now, me personally, do I like the sheen or shine that's going on? No. I'm going to use By Terry and just kind of tone it down a little bit. I like to have more of a matte finish. I don't mind a little glow. I just don't want to be real shiny. And that's one thing that I thought that bronzer, and I think all the bronzers kind of make you look a little shiny. So anyways, that was my makeup by Mario. And so we're going to move along here. What else did I get in the box? You didn't come here for a makeup look, did you? The next item that we have is some Earth Harbor Obscura Knot Repair Concentrate. And this has bucachul in it, or bucachul. I'm not sure which way you say it. It might even be bucachil. But this is what it has in it. That is a type of retinol, and it's really good for your skin. I've been reading up on this, and it's a knot repair concentrate with black seaweed and the bacachol or bacachil. And that's really good for your skin. So I'll probably be using this. I do put an oil on over my face at night. And that's what this looks like. I'm not going to put it on right now, but I will put some on here, see how it feels. Usually you would think that oil, like if you put oil on your face, it's going to make it oily, but really it doesn't. Overnight, it really soaks in the moisture. But this has like natural retinol without having the worries of getting sunburned and things, because the retinol is more natural. And it says you'll love it no matter your concern, dryness, dullness, or dreary disposition. A few drops of this earthly scented elixir made with nourishing black cumin, brightening linoleic acid, and fine line fighting bacachil applied at bedtime should be the trick. And it's $38 for this 30 mils. I mean, I've more than got my money's worth. And it says, you know, dribble this onto the palm of your hand, pat it on skin, just like I said, moving down to your neck. Once dry, it says lather on moisturizer to lock it in. Now, it said to do the opposite of what I would do. But I would say put your moisturizer on and lock it in. But maybe I'll try it their way. Maybe it'll work better. The next item is Goddess Maintenance Biotech Blowout Hair Mask. You'll love the benefits of this leave-in treatment, but it doesn't hurt. Actually, it's encouraged, it says. And you'll use it after shampooing and conditioning. Rake a dime size of this lightweight cream from mid-lengths to the ends in the hair, still lightly damped. Then grab your blow dryer and smooth around. So that sounds cool. And I think this is a full size. It's 50 ml and it's $40. So there we've got 3 full-size products already, and I know most of y'all, and this is a full meal, 50 mil, so I will use this. I like having creams and serums on the end of my hair. I'm going to squeeze out just a little bit here. I think it squeezed out more than a little. I want to see how it feels. It's lightweight, you can tell because it's dribbling down. But you can put that in your hair. It's a leave-in conditioner. I don't know if I can put it anywhere right now. I'll just put it on the ends here. Just kind of work it in. I don't really want it on my scalp. It smells good. Yeah, that'll be fun to use. Okay, like that. Another good product. And I was going to smell this real quick. It said it had a nice scent. It does. It's kind of fresh and clean. And Earth Harbor always has such cute packaging. They look nice when you line them up on your little bathroom counter. Now the next item we have is something called Gloat, and it's a makeup sponge in black. And I'll get this out to show you guys, but I seldom use a sponge, so I'm going to put it back in there. You'll see this in a giveaway. I use my hands too much. I think it's just years of doing it that way. Okay, I've got something in here that must be a gift or something. I don't know. Anyway, the next item that they have in this box is ponytail holders, which I'm going to give these to my granddaughter. And it's looped just for you, and it says you'll love it. It's a multi-rope style, actually meant to be used as a single elastic to hold updos in place no matter your age. It has a $17 value. It's a 2-pack, it says. There we go. Boy, that hair stuff smells good. I'm still smelling it. The Goddess. What was it called? Yeah, Goddess Biotech. Oh, these are cute. You got like bright pink and white. So that's really cool. And I know she'll like it. She has long hair. So I like that bright pink. What do y'all think? That looks really cool. All right. That was a good thing. $17 value, it says. And then we got Mighty patches. And I don't know how many's in here. It says 6 Mighty patch. And that's good for breakouts. And it's $13 for 36 patches. And we have 6 patches here. So this is a sample size. But I'll just hang on to this. Every once in a while I have a breakout. And sometimes my grandson has a breakout. He might want to use it. And it doesn't really give you a value other than it's $13 for 36 patches. I got 6. So that means that this is probably a $2 or $3 value. I mean, if you break it down. But overall, I think I got a great box. They also have a K-Beauty box if you're interested in that. So this was my box this month. And it's just going on and on about that. The members price for this is $55. $271 is the overall value for that. So what did I get here? Oh, I got a gift or something. Maybe because I joined up. This is the Cryo Ice Shake Roller. And it's from Skin Incorporated. It says it's a Depuff Sculpt Detox. And I probably won't use this. I'm just going to leave it intact. But you can see it there. And then you can see over here how you would use it. I guess you put it maybe in the refrigerator a little bit. Maybe I should look at the English side. Chill in the freezer for 90 minutes. Allow to sit for 2 minutes before using. And then you're going to glide this onto clean skin using a pressing motion for a maximum of 15 minutes. So yeah, I won't ever use that. So I'm going to put that in a giveaway. So that's something else you'll see in a future giveaway. So my box in general, I got the Goddess hairdo. We got the bronzer from Makeup by Mario, which is nice, and I think it did an overall good look. So it's a win. And then that was the main thing I was interested in this particular box. Then we had that little makeup sponge, which you'll see that in a giveaway too. We had the Mighty Patch and the little ponytail holders. So let me know, what do you think? We had Earth Harbor. And we had the Obscura Earth Harbor. So let me know what your thoughts are on this box. Let me know what you think about the results. And like I said, I've got an everyday eye look on today using my Prime Prometics eye brightener, which it always looks like it's brighter on the other side. Anyways, I brightened up my eyes using lighter colors, and it's more of an everyday look. So let me know what you think about that. I'm going to have to go run and get my license renewed for my Camaro, and so I'm going to let y'all go at this point. So let me know what your favorite is and what you thought about the Mario by Makeup bronzer serum combination put on my skin today. And it did bronze it. I will mention though, the Eborian bronzer that I use with FabFitFun actually, I think, bronzed and tanned my skin better. But it was maybe a different color. I'm not sure. It was just called bronze. So anyways, you can use different things, and I'm sure I'm able to use this in the future. Just me personally, looking in the mirror, it looks blotchy. Does it look blotchy to you all? So, and maybe that's because it's so thin. Maybe you have to put a whole bunch on so that it doesn't look blotchy. I may have to work with it a little bit. But anyway, you let me know what you think. As for today and this Allure box, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.